Hey guys, we're back. Welcome to Plumbing with Tim. I put a video out probably about 6 months ago, maybe a year ago, about real plumbing dangers at an old motel in my hometown. Well, we're back, and I'm going to show you how we make a copper repair leak on a copper pipe back in the old catwalk. So let's go have some fun. They've had to shut it down temporarily because there is a leak in the lavatory area back down here on the cold line, and it's on the copper back here in the wall in the catwalk. So we're going to disconnect this, and we're going to go out and about. We're going to climb the catwalk and get back there and take it out and fix the leak. So let's get this apart. This is a really old hotel, two-story. And they got old plumbing in here, and we're out here doing these fixes all the time. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take this valve off of here. It's the cold side. We've got the main already shut off, and then we got to take and cut this pipe and make the repair because there's a pinhole leak back here in the wall. All right. Check it out. Brass ferrules on poly supply line. It's a no-no. All right, we're back downstairs and we're getting ready to go into the catwalk. Remember this? This is an area between the rooms. Has all the plumbing. We're on the bottom floor. We got to go up to the second floor, and I'll catch up to you when we get there. All right, the lighting quality isn't very good up here, but we made it. I'm on the second floor, and we got to cut this copper pipe out that's on the back side of that wall from that lavatory we just came from. Okay, so this is that pipe that's coming through the wall here with the lavatory, and it has an air chamber on here. We're not going to put that back in. That was all back in codes and laws and stuff like that. And this isn't a mechanical fixture, so I'm not worried about it. I'm going to cut this piece down just a little bit. Get this guy out of here. Here, a little pinhole, and that was shooting inside and going down between the walls, and it was flooding out downstairs. We had to cut this whole piece out of here. We're just going to redo it. We're not putting that air chamber back in because it's not necessary. So let's get ourselves prepped and get it finished. Okay, right there's the pipe. Go ahead and get some sand cloth on this thing. All right, so we got our pipe pretty much prepped and ready to go. We're going to have to make a measurement and cut here now on our 1/2-inch copper pipe. That's going to be about 7 inches. Now, there ain't no light up here. My partner's got his cell phone light on here, and that's the only light that you're seeing up here. You have to do this in kind of a couple stages. We want to try to put it back the same way that we took the thing out. Prep this 1/2-inch copper sand cloth. Man, it is hot back here. No air. flux. Alright, we're going to put that on that piece up there. Riser. We've got to throw a 90 on there now. We're not doing the air chamber on there. That's old school. It's not required anymore. We're just going to 90 it into that hole underneath the sink on the other side. As you can see, we've got it put together. I've got a total 1, 2, 3, 4 solder joints to make on this fitting, on this pipe. We don't want to catch that on fire, so we're going to have to be mindful. Started with that little button on the top too, the frying. Started? Okay, I can. Alright, so there's a coupling we soldered, and there's the 90. There's a pipe going into the wall. So I think we're in good shape here. Now we got to go back into the room and put the angle stop in and the supply line to that faucet, and then turn the water main on and make sure we got no leaks. Okay, go ahead. Room. Now we're on the other side of the wall where we were doing our repair. And look at that. There's our new piece of copper. Now we can put our angle stop on with our supply line up to the faucet, and then turn the water back on, make sure we got no leaks. Closer. Closer. Polyferrules. None of that brass stuff. No brass on poly. Poly on poly only. Product on there. Hooked up the old faucet. Compression stop. The next move is to go back in there where the catwalk is and turn the water main back on to these two rooms, upstairs and downstairs, and check, make sure we got no leaks. And then we're out of here. So I sent my partner back into the catwalk, turned the water main back on. He tapped on the wall, he said it's ready to go. Let's go down here and turn this valve on. Then we're gonna go back up top and see how pressure we have. So I sent my partner back into the catwalk, turned the water main back on. He tapped on the wall, he said it's ready to go. Let's go down here and turn this valve on. Then we're gonna go back up top and see how pressure we have. Well, hey, that's all the time I got for today. Thank goodness. You know, my partner's riding with me today, asked me, he says, where's the place that you least want to go to do a job in the area? And I told him right here. And we happened to get a call. This place is no fun. It's old. You got to work in some dangerous little areas, but we got it. And that's how you fix a copper pinhole leak in a wall, even in a hotel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.